All right, everyone, here we are with KODK, Eastman Kodak Co. Before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. And let's see what this chart has to say to us. So recently, Kodak had a bullish run here, hit highs of 7 and some change, and it leveled off slightly above the 50-day moving average for some days. Then it dipped through it back to around $6.12, 10 cents. And from that point forward, it skyrocketed, reaching new highs of 11.43 and quickly dipped and leveled off at 8.71. The question is Kodak doing the same reaction it recently did? I mean, not to the same extent, because I mean, it reached $60 fairly quickly, but is it doing the same, right? Same picture that we recently experienced when it rose up. It rose up slightly, leveled off, and it rose up real high, and then it started to kind of bounce around and dip slowly into this bearish run that we're at. And recently, it did a spike like this again at the beginning of the month, and it reached $10. So Kodak is doing this significantly, and then it does another bearish run, and then it does another spike. I mean, what's going on here with this stock? Is it because of fear? Is it profit taking? What's going on with these investors that are actually participating in this stock? But the charts are showing similar patterns, and the question is, will it continue to do the same thing, or is it going to actually have a healthy run now, or is it going to break through the 50-day moving average again, and then it's going to spike up another time? I mean, or is this one of those spikes? Like, a lot of questions for many investors that are participating in this or want to participate in this. So let's go ahead and look here. So resistance level is 1035. If that gets broken through, this will test newer highs, and the highest point that it reached was 1144. So 1035 needs to be broken through, turn into support, and then the next resistance level is 1144. If that can get broken through and turn into support, this will test new highs and new resistance levels after closing at 871. Our support level here is a total of 820. Now, 820 was touched 3 times. The reason why this support is so significant is because the bulls have fought hard to level off and hopefully build momentum, and you can slightly see a slight rise here from leveling off at around 840 and rise it up and level off at 871. Now, the question is, could they continue to work their way up and reach this resistance? If they can't, then the bears are going to tear through 820, and if that gets torn through, this will be on its way to newer lows, and then comes in the 50-day moving average, which is 750. 750 is so important because right now we're above it and it's in bullish territory, but if this support of 820 gets broken through and then 750 gets broken through, we are back into bearish territory and the bears are starting to gain control. So I'd pay very close attention to how quickly is it moving down if 820 gets broken through, or is it kind of just hanging out in between 820 and 750, and are the bulls trying to reappear to bring this one back up? It's going to be very interesting for tomorrow, but I'm seeing in the charts some very similar patterns every time, and it's been doing it since the time that happened and went into a very bearish trend, and then it spiked up, and then it started to fall, and then it leveled off, spiked up, started to fall, and here we are spiking up. And the question is, are we going to start to fall, or could this use this as support and start to work their way up by breaking through resistance levels? If you guys found this video helpful and informative and learned something new and feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. But don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.